Hey everyone, I am Priya Lalwani, and here we are doing another Happy Over Coffee session with the industry expert into hospitality as well as into the architecture field. She is very known for, being there, present and empowering women in entire segments possible. Here we have architect Dhanashree with us. Hi Dhanashree, how are you?
Hello, Priya. Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, so I would like to understand you have been an architect since so long and you are also, into hospitality, how you are contributing both the things together and, working on your segment.
I completed my architecture from McGill University in 2007.
Many.
Then I got the opportunity to work with Deepak Mehta's from Mumbai.
Okay.
So I was there in Mumbai. And then it was a great learning experience there.
Yeah.
And then I got again the opportunity to work with Mohit Gujral's firm
Okay.
in Delhi.
Yeah.
So 2008 and 9, I was there in Delhi, working in commercial projects, residential projects, many projects that were involved in the process. And then as like Indian parents, they said, okay, now it's time to come back and get married. So yeah, I got married in 2010.
Yeah.
And since then, I joined hospitality since my family is running hospitality business since 4 decades now in Raipur. So we are into hospitality since 4 decades. Yeah. And then smoothly I shifted my career from architecture to hospitality.
Nice.
So it's contributing anyways. We have just constructed our dream project, Hotel Miraville.
Of course.
So I was actively involved in the process right from conception to implementation to the completion of the project.
Amazing. So, as we all know, that Mirabelle has been the talk of the town recently, although it has not been a very big time since the day it has been launched. But बहुत ही कम time में it has gained a lot of coverage, a lot of in the industry among people. Everyone knows about it. How Mirabelle has received ample amount of audience wise.
See, first of all, we have a legacy of our Hotel Mira.
Yeah.
So it helps. Of course, it helps. And the food, we have to maintain the consistency of the food.
Yeah.
3 main key factors are there to run any hotel or restaurant. So it's like food first and service, and lastly comes the ambience.
Okay.
So, and you have to be there in your office daily. You do not have any excuses. And you cannot delegate your work to your staff members or your managers. It cannot run like that. So you have to be really passionate if you want to be in a hospitality business. And hotel chalana is like रोज की बारात संभालना है.
Agree.
So
तो हमने देखा है कि बहुत ही इजीली सबका पैशन हो जाता है कि हमको होटल चलाना है, हमको होटल चलाना है. कोई भी न्यू में आता है, they be like, we can also be the hotelier. But there are a lot of struggles that are involved for people. What are those struggles that you are facing in your everyday life?
So आजकल बहुत से youngsters को कैशन होता है कि चलो let's make a hotel. But just for the sake of glitz and glamour, it looks fancy. But behind the scenes, जो hard work होता है, we see that on a daily basis. So just do not enter hospitality business just for the sake of glitz and glamour and fancy made. So yeah, it is really a very physically challenging work.
Of course.
The staff, which they work from, like, it is a school in itself.
Yeah.
So we need to groom them. So it's basically, we have implemented the IDEA formula. Like you have seen in multinational companies, there are multiple levels of interviews goes on. So we identify the people that is he or she is able to do this work or not.
Of course.
And then we develop them. Developing means we groom them. We give them multiple training sessions. आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो कस्टमर से, आप कैसे सर्व कर रहे हो, क्या कर्टसी होती है, कितना डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है आपको, अब सारी चीज़ें आती है. एंड वी गिव देम एनवायरनमेंट. जैसे आप एक मनी प्लांट को एक छोटे से रूम में रखेंगे तो वो उतना ही पनप पाएगा. आप उसको गार्डन में रखें तो वो वर्क फीड्स तक जाता है. सो आप एक एनवायरनमेंट देते हैं अपने स्टाफ को. एंड देन लास्ट कम्स द अकाउंटेबिलिटी. और आपका पार्टी चल रहा है, 7 o'clock को चालू होना है, एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट अकाउंटेबल, अगर आप टाइम पर नहीं पहुँचे तो आप में कितना भी टैलेंट हो, इट डजंट वर्क दैट वे. सो या, सो इट इज़ लाइक एक पूरा स्कूल चलाना है, होटल चलाना है, और ये पूरा स्कूल है, एक बहुत चैलेंजिंग टास्क।
Course. So, as we have seen, we have come across the ambience of Mirabelle. It is very vibrant. लोग बहुत से बहुत lively feel करने लग जाते हैं. You and your husband are taking care of that project.
Yeah, I'm a co-founder of
Okay, and co-founder of it. So, how is it actually matching your vibrant behavior, your vibrant characters, or it is totally just out of the box? You thought ki you should not actually go with your particular vibes and go away, because as much as I have known you both are very calm and considerate people, and the hotel is totally vibrant. So how you are complementing each other?
So we wanted to give the people, those who are staying in Raipur, we wanted to give them a different experience.
Yeah.
So we have designed an totally in European theme. So Europe यहाँ पे लेके आ गए हैं, समझ सकते हैं. The focal point is a telephone booth which we have on the reception area.
Yeah.
And it is totally designed in a Victorian theme. So right from flooring to the wallpaper to the ceiling, you'll see the double-heighted ceiling, and there are many elements which are incorporated in the designing of Hotel Mirabelle. So yeah, एक restaurant या जो भी एक hotel है, as soon as you enter the hotel, you are mesmerized by the grandness, the grand lobbies,
Of course.
and the foyer, and the awnings, jarokhas, whatever. So you are mesmerized by entering and the welcoming staff of the hotel. So we wanted to give that vibe to the people of Raipur. So we created it that way.
So what is your, channel of getting the crowd for yourself? Who are your target audience by this? Who all are you targeting?
Each and every section of the society, and each kids, right from kids to youngsters. Like we have celebrations like birthday parties over there, kids, and then we have kitties happening over there. We have anniversary parties, and we have corporate types also. So corporate meetings भी काफी हो रही है वहाँ पे.
Exactly. So आज ये party.
Yeah. And we have a beautiful setup of a banquet hall,
Of course.
where you can have a capacity of 300 people. So it's a very huge property, and like बच्चों से लेके बूढ़ों तक आप farewell भी वहाँ पे host कर सकते हो.
Agree. So, as I have entered, I have found it very lively, a very homely sort of atmosphere. When you go to some other places, you feel like, is it your place or not? But whenever, or I think it's not only about me, it's about everyone, whoever has entered Mirabelle, everyone has felt like a very homely vibe. Ki, we can chill here for an hour or long, and that can be our comfort space. How you guys have managed to make it a comfort space for everyone?
So see, Priya, the customers are God to us actually.
Yes.
So we want them to feel always seen, to feel them welcomed.
Yeah.
And we tend to give them a sense of belongingness.
Of course.
So we have trained our staff in that way, that as soon as any guest enters, you just have to welcome them like a smile.
What is that one thing all of your customers has been talking about when they go out of Mirabelle, and if they want to recommend everyone else about it?
So to maintain the consistency of the taste is really very challenging.
Adding to that, we have had a few time lunches over there, and yeah, that's definitely there.
Yeah. And definitely it is a very capital intensive market. There is a fierce competition,
Of course.
and of course we have to manage the online image also.
Yeah.
So it's very challenging. But yeah, if you are doing it right and you are doing it wholeheartedly, of course. So yeah, definitely.
What is that mantra for you that you live by? Not if in case of Mirabelle, but for you.
My mantra is be optimistic
Yeah.
always, and always pursue your goals. And obstacles आएंगे, definite of course, but you have to follow through it.
Agree.
And you have to reach your goal.
And I have seen that you are too much into women empowerment, and you have been supporting so many women in getting their business good amount of result out of sales out of it, or whatever. Like, however, you do support women a lot. How you entered into that segments of yours?
So yeah, these days women are making their mark in every field. Let's say you must have heard about Kiran Majumdar Shaw, the founder of Bioqua. Then you must have heard about Ghazal Alak,
Of course.
Saman,
Yeah.
and then the ex-CEO of PepsiCo,
Yeah.
Indra Nooyi.
Of course.
So she said once that the biological cycle and the career cycle of the woman go hand in hand. Obviously, it's really very challenging to balance both. So yeah, I wanted to support women at every point of my time, and I want to make a good mark and good I want to set a good example for my children also.
Amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, it is always my, you can say, the goal to empower women. Every point of time, at every stage of my life, I'll be there for her.
Nice. So I think I have done with my patients. Would you like to add up something if I have missed anything over here?
एक cuisine के बारे में we can talk.
Cuisine. Okay. Okay. What sort of cuisine do we carry over there?
We have a Pan-Asian kind of cuisine.
Okay, great. I am fond of, Japanese and Korean food. I love. मेरे को actually ये पसंद इसलिए because वो chopstick से खा.
Chopstick से खाते हैं.
I'm fond of these. So do we serve those too?
Yeah. We have a wide range of Pan-Asian cuisine there. So we are serving sushi, very Korean food. We have Thai also. We have Mexican also.
Right.
So initially, there were only 3 cuisines, I must say. Indian, Chinese and Conti. But these days, there is a wide range of cuisine. And there is a subcategory also. Like Japanese में भी there are subcategories. Ramen है, sushi हो गया. Then Korean में भी have bun. Then gochujang fried rice is there. So there are many in the list.
So what would you like to recommend all of our audience to, must try that particular thing?
So we have our Mexican cheese roll, all-time favorite.
Okay.
And we have our tandoori paneer chili.
आज मेन्यू में क्या है?
आज मेन्यू में tummy will be full, I guess. Hey, you'll be satisfied. Amazing. You will be satisfied.
Great. Okay, let's see. Let's check out today's menu then. So I have a small rabbit pie rum for you. Okay, yeah. And we do not have any price. I have been saying this to all the restaurant. हाँ, घर में कुछ दे दो. हाँ, please ये दे दो. ये दे देंगे. हाँ. Coffee दो क्या?
No, I'm not the person, sorry.
ठीक है. हाँ, पर हम बाद में discuss करते हैं about that.
I was joking.
नहीं, but हम पता है. So, what sort of cuisine do you like the most for Mirabel versus for you?
I am a die-hard fan of Indian cuisine. I want my dal makhani, my cheese naan, and I'm the happiest person in the world.
And you're recommending your audience to try?
To try paneer butter masala, which is like our USP. Kan makhani is also our USP. And yeah, definitely they can try a laksa soup there.
Great. And by European touch of interior has Indian food in it.
By European touch has?
Indian food in it. European aesthetics of your hotel has Indian food in it.
Because mostly the people here in Raipur, I think most of the people are from Punjabi and Sindhi communities. Marwaris are also there. So basically they recommend, and their likes and their preferences are Indian.
Okay. A Bollywood movie your life relies on?
Will you break up set? It's my all-time favorite.
Great.
Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara. There are many in the West.
Nice. And how a day in your life has been?
Would like to go to Vietnam again. And yeah. And there also at Hoi An. It was a very picturesque view I had experienced at Hoi An. Okay, it was the most beautiful place I have ever seen in my life. So I would definitely recommend Hoi An.
And great. Great. So I think you misheard what I said. I said how a day in your life looks like, what you shared about the holiday in your life. I okay. I get that. Good that.
Day in my life, it will be like working and taking care of my kids. Like my first half is dedicated to my business. And my second half is dedicated to my kids. It's very clear.
Great. And if you'd like to share about your life in just a song.
just a song.
The song that, you do carry a heart.
Momo ke dhare,
Nice.
sung by Passom.
Great. So as after Miraval, the success of Miraval, what could be the expansion plan for Miraval again?
There are definitely my expansion plan were there. So I would like to double my business, develop my business.
Nice.
And my dream is to earn Mission Star.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Soon it is going to come soon. Yeah.
And I would like to visit also a restaurant run by Vikas Khanna there in USA. India. So it's Bungalow.
Of course.
Yes, I would definitely go there and
Right.
explore the place.
When is your plan to go there?
My daughter's day is to visit New York at her sweet 16. So let's hope for that.
That's great.
So as such, बहुत से plans हो. But I want to treat each and every woman equally. Like gender bias नहीं होना हो. And बहुत सी चीज़ें माइंड में है जो आगे बढ़ना है, बिल्स को आगे बढ़ाना है. एंड डेफिनेटली जब आप एक घर कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं सो आपको बीम्स है, कॉलम्स है, स्लैब है, सबका सपोर्ट मिलता है तब एक घर बनता है. सो हियर वी आर सपोर्टिंग ईच अदर एंड एक दूसरे के सपोर्ट से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.